would surely be me. And I thought I could be what I wanted to be.
Magandang umaga po at welcome po sa ating programa, My Morning Manna with Pastor OG. Buksan po natin ating mga Biblia sa aklat po ng 1 Corinthians chapter 4 verse 5. Ito po ang pagkasabi sa Biblia, each one's praise will come from God. This morning, I will bring the topic that says, compliments. Atin pong napapansin na kung tayo po'y kino-compliment, tayo po'y pinipraise, nagkakaroon tayo ng lakas, no? Nagkakaroon tayo ng joy, at tayo'y lalong magpupursue doon sa mga bagay na gusto nating gawin, at na-enjoy nating ipamuhay ang ating buhay. Kasi tayo po is nagre-respond sa praise. Whatever you praise, increase. Ganun din tayo, no? Kung tayo ipe-praise, kahit sarili natin nagpe-praise sa sarili natin, we are increasing. Everybody loves to hear a compliment now and then, if it's genuine. Kung totoo yan, kapatid, napakasarap pakinggan ng praise. Remember this, that we also have to give compliments to other people of their accomplishments. Huwag tayong maging, gahaman. Huwag nating hayaan na tayo lang pinipraise at tayo hindi marunong mag-praise. Could there be any greater compliment than this from our Heavenly Father? When we meet Him, He said, well done, good and faithful servant. Yun po ang pinakamagandang compliment nating marinig na sabihin ng Lord, well done anak, you are good and you are faithful. Remember that in this lifetime, we will just pass once. Huwag nating i-withhold yung compliments natin sa ibang tao. Remember that when we learn to praise other people, they will also praise us. But the good praise that we will receive is not from man, but from God. Last point, work well done for Christ will receive a well done from Christ. Ulitin ko po, work well done for Christ will receive a well done from Christ. Kung gumagawa tayo ng napakabuti sa harapan ng Panginoon, God will say, well done anak, well done, tuloy sa aking kaharian. Remember, we have to share, we have to praise for Christ's glory. God bless po at magandang umaga.
I can't even walk without you holding my hand. Without you holding